everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your precious silver jewelry using 3 ingredients from your cupboard. Costs less than £1 and the whole process only takes 3 minutes. After that you will have beautiful as new silver jewelry without tarnishing the silver surface. Stay tuned, let me take you through this whole process. On the screen you can see that my Hermes Chandon earrings has got really badly tarnished because I haven't really worn them for a while because I've been having longer nails. They're very fiddly to put in, so because they're just sitting there being oxygenated and then they turn really black. So today I'm going to show you how I clean them, restore them back to their former glory, and using 3 key ingredients from the kitchen cupboard. Cost less than £1. The first ingredients you need is a bowl. We all have a bowl in the kitchen, and also you need some aluminium foil. And then the next ingredient you need is 1 teaspoon of just table salt, any salt would do. And then the final ingredient is boiling hot water, just plain boiling water. So you put the bowl, you put the aluminium foil on the bottom of the bowl, and then you put the salt onto the aluminium foil, and then you put the jewelry onto that and then pour hot water, making that into a solution that the hot water covers the jewelry that you're cleaning. And then you just wait for 3 minutes. Let the magic sit in. While we're waiting for the jewelry to be cleaned with this magic solution, let me give you the chemical reaction, the technicalities behind it. The chemical reaction using aluminium salt and hot water to clean silver involves an electrochemical process. In this reaction, the aluminium foil acts as a sacrificial anode, donating electrons to the silver sulfide tarnish on the silver item. This process reverses the tarnish formation, converting the silver sulfide back into metallic silver. The reaction can be observed as the tarnish lifts off the silver and sticks to the aluminium foil. This method is non-abrasive and does not remove any actual silver, unlike traditional polishing cloths that can remove a tiny layer of metal with each use, or the chemical silver polish. And you can see that with the 3 minutes going on and the jewelry just getting whiter and whiter, shinier, is so simple. Anyone can do it. And so the 3 minutes is up and you can see that the earrings are just as new. You can see they're so bright and back to it's like silver. Afterwards you can just rinse them under cold tap water, and if you want to use some like a washing up liquid, you can use washing up liquid, but it's just like salt and hot water, just nothing else on it. And then you will just end it up with these beautiful silver jewelry. Again, make sure that you do not use anything with a stone on them, or like a silver plated, no, and or anything with gold plated, no. With the silver base, gold plated is a no, so it has to be solid 925 sterling silver. So that's my warning for you, and I bear no responsibility if you have use this solution and to clean your jewelry but damage them, because I only tell you now that it only works on 925 sterling silver jewelry. Anything else with a stone or plated or anything like that is not going to work. You will ruin your jewelry. So that's my warning. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and you spend the best 3 minutes and seeing this jewelry being cleaned from being really black, tarnished, into this brand new condition, and they're just lovely and shining, and it costs barely £1. I mean, how much a teaspoon of salt is costing, how much a little bit of tinfoil would cost, and how much of like a jug of hot water would cost. So yeah, it definitely is the most economical way and the most safe way to clean silver jewelry at home. I have done a silver jewelry cleaning video before, but I was using a different method. But hopefully today, this one is much safer for people if you have sensitive skin, or if you don't want to go out to buy those solution. And this is the best method, most cost effective, the most effective and less damaging method to clean silver jewelry. Remember, 925 sterling silver jewelry at home. So that's my video for today. Until my next time, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.